Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to Mommy's channel. So today, Mom is going to show us how to prepare coffee flavored cookies. So what you're going to need is unsalted butter, icing sugar, flour, baking powder, instant coffee, milk, and salt. Majority of the measurements Mom has used a weighing scale, but for those who do not have weighing scale, don't be scared. I'll have measurements, cup measurements in the description box below. So sit back, relax, enjoy. Or if you don't want to sit back and relax, get in the kitchen. Let's follow this recipe mom has for you and let's create magic in the kitchen. So yes, have fun and let's make something new today. So while mixing all the dry ingredients together, make sure you do it exactly as you can see mom is doing it. Because if you rub the ingredients together and heat is formed between your hands, the butter is going to melt and you definitely don't want your butter to melt at this stage. So do it exactly as mom is doing it. Slowly but surely rubbing the ingredients together so that it will form a breadcrumb crumbs like consistency. At the end you're going to see in the next clip what it's going to look like. So do it exactly as mommy is doing. Make sure you dissolve coffee in warm milk on the side and let it cool before mixing into the dry ingredients so that the mixture does not melt the butter. Again, it's all about the butter. Make sure the butter is not melted. Put your dough in a fridge or freezer for 30 minutes for easier management later on when you're shaping it. For us, we decided to just use our hands to form balls, and later on we use the fork to create just a simple design, but you can do anything. You can roll the dough using a roller, and then you can use different cutouts to make different designs to your desire. But when you're rolling, don't make the dough too thin because the cookies will come out hard. So just make sure you're being soft and you have a good thickness when you're using the roller. But you can also do this method that we use, which is so easy as you're going to see. So for here, just let your creativity take control. That is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for sticking around. Don't forget to leave a comment down below, like, share, and subscribe definitely. And oh my god, next time we have a banana bread recipe awaiting you guys with a sprinkle of chocolate. So until next time, bye bye. Thank you.